we can dip the the bread into the sauce. For today's recipe, we will be cooking the lemon garlic butter mussels, or I can combine it with the drunken mussels. First, we have the salt, the pepper, we have the breads on the side, we have the red pepper, the chicken stock or chicken broth, we have the white wine, we have the mussels, the butter, lemon zest and lemon wedge for the side garnish, and we have the spring onions. It should be parsley, but there's no parsley in the market right now. And we have the garlic and the onion. Let's start. First and most important ingredient is the mussels. We have here actually it's a fully cooked mussels already, and it's seasoned, but I'm gonna have to cook it again and do my own version. There is no way for me to buy a fresh one in the market right now, so I'll be using the one in a package, and then it goes with all the ingredient. First, we have to mince the garlic. So mince and fine. I will leave the list of ingredients and instructions on the description below of my video. We have to set this aside. Here we have the onion. Because we have to do the lemon zest, so make sure that just the skin. And we have the spring onions to garnish it. So we have to garnish this, the spring onion, the very last part of our cooking. Melt the butter, 2 tablespoons of butter. So once it's melted, we can start sauteing the garlic. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Be brown, golden brown. And next is the onions. Once the garlic is golden brown, then we can add up the lemon zest. So this will only take 5 to 10 minutes to cook, since our mussels already cooked, because I bought the one that is already cooked. And we can add the white wine, it's a 1 cup. And we have the chicken stock or chicken broth. These are optional, you can add some red pepper, I like a little bit spicy. We have the pepper. And maybe we can do the salt a little bit, because the mussels are already salted. And let it boil for a little bit. Now it's boiling. We can add our mussels. You don't want this to be overcooked. We want it succulent and tender. It's not really good if it's fully cooked. And we want more buttery, so we can add one more 2 tablespoons of butter. And on top of that, we can add the spring onions. Cover it for a little bit. and this should be good to go. You can dip the the bread into the sauce. Like it is ready. I can smell the wine. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment if you like this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next cooking video. Bye.
Yeah.